Harley to drive with.
See, I thought it was a Chrysler. I thought
looks
it was
like
a
the
Mercury.
like the 300.
Yeah, very similar. Probably the same chassis.
Right.
It'll only be
Oh, look at this
900,
speedometer.
something of that kind.
Speedometer.
Chrysler Newport's look a lot like that.
Groucho sent me to see the new DeSoto.
Groucho sent us and we want to drive this car.
Oh, what a thrill you're going to feel when you're behind the wheel. DeSoto is the smartest car, smartest of the smart cars. From every angle. From here, or from here. DeSoto is smart. DeSoto is the car that makes people stop and look. The car you'll be proud to have standing in front of your house. It's smart to own, the smartest of the smart cars.
Just the way it's set, I got 10 grand in the box.
Yeah.
The shocks, every brake line, rebuilt motor.
So it runs?
Runs perfect.
What is the
Start
motor?
right up?
Put battery in it. 360 big black in it. Underboard 383 in it.
Oh, okay.
The old Tommy Markham, now if you know him, he's a machinist. He boarded out 10 over and rebuilt it. I got new on the other windshield for it. I just never finished putting it together. I got the dual 4-barrel intake for it. Fuck, batteries in there. What's that? Just charged?
I don't know. Probably not.
I had the radiator record, brand new starter, distributor. I went right through the fucking thing years ago.
Like you can see right through the speedometer on this side too. So people coming at you can see how fast.
That's funny.
That's
hilarious.
Parts are very expensive for it.
Who was shooting at you? Yeah,
What's
right.
that?
My son.
Oh, jeez.
That's gonna be tough.
I got one
He's
for it.
got one.
Oh, yeah?
Got extra hood, trunk, the glass.
How'd you find this?
I spotted it.
Just saw it?
Saw it through the trees.
Wow.
Saw the wings through the trees, and we're like, "Yeah, look at
No, that's
this." I'm like,
that's like special.
Can I put another 10 grand in the fuck? You have something.
You'd,
You know what I mean?
so.
I've got the interior done.
you'd
Yeah,
have something though.
Yeah, interior's expensive.
Oh no, you can't fit in there.
What do you mean? This DeSoto is built for people. Look.
Plenty of room up here too. This would be a joy to drive.
Of course, DeSoto gives you people-sized roominess and fashion Vogue trim.
So beautiful.
Finest car I've seen. DeSoto, the smart way to go places.
You know, that interior work is always expensive.
Sounds good. Sat long enough, I gotta give her a shot. She might start. Shit, I don't know if that's married up or not.
Needs a little more.
You know, gas in it.
A little more.
Give her one more thing. I bet it's probably out of gas.
Well, I see the tanks out of it. Does it have
Till you're done.
an auxiliary tank somewhere?
What's that?
I see the gas tank's not in the back of it.
Yeah, so
I got just one sitting in the trunk. I never put
Oh,
it back
okay.
in it.
Yeah.
starter for it. Give it enough to get the.
Never put her back in it.
That's an old mechanical fuel pump right on the side of the.
Brand new.
Brand new?
Everything was new on it.
gear? Yeah, I think it's
Hey, oh, gas in it.
It's
that's pretty sweet.
how cool.
Dude, thanks for starting it.
Yeah,
That was
right.
awesome. Yeah, no.
I gotta get her going, get her the fuck out of here for winter. Fix tires on her. I ain't 500 miles on that motor. Online, the car was mint. It's like, I don't know, just under 40,000. It's a rare car.
Yeah.
This one will never be worth that. You know what I mean?
If you put 40 to 60,000 into it, it will.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah.
But if you put 60 into it, you could certainly get 40.
Yeah. You got it. Yeah, I was gonna make it into a hot rod, but it's worth more the way it sets.
I think it's a cruiser.
You'd be better doing restoration.
I think
on
it's a cruiser, yeah. Look at that fucking bumper.
I know.
It's
It's like a spoiler upside down on them.
Yeah.
That's when bumpers used to be bumpers. The only time I ever rolled over in a vehicle was in a DeSoto.
no shit.
We were out in the field running, and we went and it just like boom, 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 come back on its wheels, and we just kept going.
Oh no.
We kept going. Full roll over. No seatbelts, of course, you know, nothing.
I wonder.
Would you have to pay to own
8
that
to
car?
12, I think it was $1,200.
Bought it from the dealer.
Well, $1,200 bucks, I think.
Coming up a lot.
How about the motorcycle?
We could take that one home without the truck. That starts right up, right?
Well, Saturday probably would. I ain't kicking the
Oh, yeah. You're the best. You're the best.
Imagine she would.
Oh,
That's Jesus Christ, 7 years in my fucking living room. I just got it out this year.
that's a good place to have it.
It is. It's nice and warm, temperature control.
59, you said, right?
What's that?
You said 59?
58.
58.
That's a pet bunny.
58.
58, huh?
Should have met me about 20
I
years ago.
love the fat,
Yeah.
fat front tire.
Probably had 300 cars.
Wow.
Dad had a record service. I was picking them fuckers up left and right.
Yeah. Yeah, it's funny you find that
Right around
in the
here?
older service.
Yeah. Get them for nothing, just about. That's got. That's I got 84 inches in that.
Spring
Most
for the
of
clutch.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah,
bike.
foot clutch.
That's the name.
Or no?
No.
No.
You gotta-
It's this whole unit.
Yeah, at least it's foot shift.
Right.
The-
Yeah,
The knob.
Tire sneakers, well.
Kid took the back one off. Little hellion.
Shot it off?
No, fucking spun it off. He died 5 years ago. Motorcycle accident.
That probably takes all the fun out of riding a motorcycle. I imagine.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
You gotta go with it.
You want to kick it over, don't you?
Oh man, it breaks your foot problem. How long have you had it?
I played with this 30 years.
Wow, that's cool.
Wow. 30 years. There's a formula here.
Oh, yeah.
Pull this up, and 3 cranks. Give her an extra one, it's been sitting. There's no ignition on yet. This is priming it. Should be 3 kicks. The battery's up, it should start. It don't start.
Yeah, hear it.
I don't think you have any gas in there.
There's gas in it.
Oh, okay.
Juice.
Yeah. Well, that's all right. We appreciate you trying. That's,
No.
Battery's
It'll
dead.
work.
that's a pretty nice look. It's a nice bike. You got some cool stuff. And I'm glad we went this way. 'Cause by chance, we went down this road. You know, it just that's
Spotted it.
it's just interesting how you find things. You know. Yeah. While we're out there, we pick up garbage and bring it back. We have a big dumpster at camp. So.
Well, I don't know why people throw shit inside the fucking road.
All right. Well, let's get going. I don't want to take up any more of your time. I do appreciate you showing us. Thank you very much.
Next year, whenever you come by, drop in.
I would love to.
meet you.
I pinned the location on my map, so you know, next summer maybe we'll stop up.
Yeah, or you could join the Gambler 500 next year.
Go drive the new DeSoto at DeSoto Plymouth Dealers today.